Today's big story in the energy market was natural gas. Natural gas up 17% today on the heels of a big move the previous couple of days. So we're now seeing it. Questions where we're going to see it break through 490 was the high today. We saw 490 as the high, came in at 405. So a big range today. We saw again it settle right around the 4835 level. So right off of those near-term highs when we see that pushing up again, taking out the 4 strike. Now we're pushing up to the $5 strike. So some significant activity. I think the drivers here are a couple of things when you look at what's going on. Certainly when you look at the cold weather we're experiencing here in the Midwest, but also throughout the country, that's a driving force. You're seeing forecasting models now being shifted to expect increased demand in natural gas as we move through the wintertime. Second of all, inventories. The EIA number comes out tomorrow for the week. However, if you look at the trend, the last 15 years, we're seeing inventory levels at 15-year lows. We have not seen inventories in natural gas this low, according to the EIA, since 2003, November 2003. So you've got increased demand, decreased supply, thus driving up this market in natural gas. Looking at activity on the futures, lots of activity. I can tell you when you look at the front month future, December future, we traded about 425,000 contracts today. It's averaging about 174, so almost 3.5 times the average daily volume. But if you look at January, you saw 3 times the amount of volume. We saw 320K trade there on an average number of what, 101 over the course of the last couple of months. And even through February through April, we saw big demand, big increase in activity as we saw over 100,000 contracts trade in those months as well. So some significant activity here because we're seeing natural gas go to levels that it has not attained in quite some time.